Hi, my name is Shina Miftahul Haroma binti Sukardi. My number matrix is 33DBE21F1044.
Hi, my name is Nurul Shazwani binti Zaidin, Nometric 33DPE21F1045.
Hi, my name is Wanya Azika binti Rozani. My number matrix is 33DPE21F1058. So, our group will present the question set 6. In mathematics, an integral assigns number to function in a way that describes displacement, area, volume, and other concepts that arise by combining infinitesimal data. The process of finding integral is called integration. Along with differentiation, integration is a fundamental and central operation of calculus and serves as tool to solve problems in mathematics and physics involving the area of an arbitrary shape, the length of a curve, and the volume of a solid, among others.
Question 1. Find the intersection points between y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 5 and y equals to negative 7x plus 45. Then, calculate the area bounded by the graph and x-axis. So, to find the intersection points, we need to do first equation equals to second equation. So, it will be x squared minus 4x plus 5 equals to negative 7x plus 45. When we move negative 7x plus 45 to the left, it will become x squared minus 4x plus 5 plus 7x minus 45 equals to 0. Don't forget to put 0 at the right. So, x and x, we can solve it. So, it will become x squared minus 4x plus 7x plus 5 minus 45. Then, we will get x squared plus 3x minus 40 equals to 0. Then, we need to find the x using this equation. So, we need to put this equation into the calculator using mode equation degree 2. Then, we will get x 5 and x negative 8. To calculate the area bounded by the graph and x-axis, first we need to know the graph. So, to draw the graph, we know that equation y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 5 is a curved line. And then the equation y equals to negative 7x plus 45 is straight line. For y equals to negative 7x plus 45. To find x-intercept, let y equals to 0, so it will become 0 equals to negative 7x plus 45. Then we move 45 to the left and get negative 45 equals to negative 7x. Then x is 45 over 7. Next, to find y-intercept, let x equals to 0, then y equals to negative 7 times 0 plus 45. Then y equals to 45. So, for the equation y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 5, to find x-intercept, let y equals to 0, so x squared minus 4x plus 5 equals to 0. Then, we use calculator to calculate the x. So, we will get x equals to 2 for both. So, it will be the minimum point of the curve, that is x equals to 2, because we get both of the x is 2. Next, to find y-intercept, x equals to 0. So, 0 squared minus 4 times 0 times 5 equals to y. So, y will be 5. The graph will look like this. Blue color region is the area bounded by the graph and x-axis. The blue line is the area under the line and the red line is the area under the curve. So, to find the area of shaded region, negative part and positive part cannot do together. So we must divide into two areas, that is area A and area B. For area A, integral of negative 8 to 0 of underline minus integral of negative 8 to 0 of under curve. So it will be integral of negative 8 to 0, negative 7x plus 45 dx minus by integral negative x to 0, x squared minus 4x plus 5 dx. So it will be integral negative 8 to 0, negative 7x plus 45 minus x squared plus 4x minus 5 dx, and it will be integral of negative 8 to 0, negative x squared minus 3x plus 40 dx. Then when we integrate it, it will become negative x cubed over 3 minus 3x squared over 2 plus 40x in bracket negative x 0. So we need to replace x with negative x and 0. Then it will be negative 0 cubed over 3 minus 3 times 0 square over 2 plus 40 times 0 minus by negative x cubed over 3 minus 3 times negative x square over 2 plus 40 times negative 8. So it will become, the first bracket will be 0 and the second bracket will be negative 736 over 3. So 0 minus negative 736 over 3, the answer will be 736 over 3 unit square. So this is the area of the A. So for area B, integral of 0 to 5 negative 7x plus 45 dx minus integral of 0 to 5 x squared minus 4x plus 5 dx is same as the area A, but the difference is the number on the integral. So integral 0 to 5 negative x squared minus 3x plus 40 dx, when we integrate it, it will become negative x cubed over 3 minus 3x squared over 2 plus 40x in bracket 0 and 5. Then when we replace x with 0 and 5, it will become negative 5 cubed over 3 minus 3 times 5 square over 2 plus 40 times 5 bracket minus bracket negative 0 cubed over 3 minus 3 times 0 square over 2 plus 40 times 0 bracket. So the first bracket will be 725 over 6 and the second bracket will be 0. So the answer for area B is 725 over 6 unit square. So the total area of the shaded region is 736 over 3 plus 725 over 6. The answer will be 2197 over 6 unit square. That is area A plus area B. So the final answer is 2197 over 6 unit square.
Question 2. Find the generate volume when the shaded region is rotated 316 degrees around the x-axis. From the graph, we need to divide the shaded region into A and B to get the volume. So the volume of A region is the volume underlined from 0.5 to A, and B region is the volume under curve from 1 to 1.5. So we use formula V equal to integral A to B pi y squared dx because it's turned into x-axis. So the volume of A is integral 0.5 to 1 pi bracket 4x minus 1 bracket power of 2 dx. We put pi outside the integral, so it becomes pi integral 0.5 to 1 bracket 16x square minus xs plus 1 bracket dx. Then when we integrate, it will become pi bracket 16x cube over 3 minus xs square over 2 plus x bracket 0.5 to 1. Then replace 1 and 0.5 to the x. it will be pi bracket 16 times 1 cube over 3 minus 8 times 1 square over 2 plus 1 bracket minus bracket 16 times 0.5 cube over 3 minus 8 times 0.5 square over 2 plus 0.5 bracket equal pi bracket 7 over 3 minus 1 over 6 bracket. The answer is 13 over 6 unit cube. Then, for volume of B region is integral 1 to 1.5 pi bracket negative 2x squared plus 5 bracket power of 2 dx. We put the pi outside the integral, so it become pi integral 1 to 1.5 bracket 4x power of 4 minus 20x squared plus 25 bracket dx. Then, when we integrate, it will become pi bracket 4x power of 5 over 5 minus 20 x cubed over 3 plus 25x bracket 1 to 1.5. Then when we replace 1.5 and 1 into x, then it will be pi bracket 4 times 1.5 power of 5 over 5 minus 20 times cube over 3 plus 25 times 1.5 bracket minus bracket 4 times 1 power of 5 minus 20 times 1 cube over 3 plus 25 times 1 bracket. It will become pi bracket 843 over 40 minus 287 over 15 bracket. The answer is 233 over 120 unit cube. Then, total volume equal volume A plus volume B equal bracket 13 over 6 plus 233 over 120 bracket pi. So the final answer is equal 493 over 120 by unit cube.
The summary is integrals are used intensively in many areas. For example, in probability theory, integrals are used to determine the probability of some random variable falling within a certain range. Integrals can be used for computing the area of a two-dimensional region that has a curved boundary, as well as computing the volume of a three-dimensional object that have curved boundary. The area of two-dimensional region can be calculated using the aforementioned definite integral.
That's all from us. Thank you.